Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We had some very cold conditions to start the day, seeing a low of 21 degrees. That set the record. That beat the low of 24 set in 1993. So very cold to start the day. We'll see those temperatures continue to rise today in the upper 40s to lower 50s across the peninsula. Going to see a good amount of upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region today. That'll keep us mostly cloudy to perhaps partly cloudy today. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have our winds out of the northwest to westerly component throughout the column this morning, light in the low levels around 5 knots out of the northwest, and seeing more of a southwesterly wind between 3 and 6,000 feet from 10 to 20 knots, and seeing those winds pick up from 9 to 16,000 feet, seeing an increase from around 25 to 55 knots, and then seeing our peak wind at the west-southwest this morning at 25,000 feet at 71 knots. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have an area of high pressure. It's currently along the eastern seaboard, provided us with those cold temperatures this morning. That will continue to slide off the coast for the afternoon hours, and we'll have a weak cold front moving towards the region for this evening into the overnight hours, so provide us with a chance of some rain showers overnight. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have a good amount of that upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region, as well as some low level cloudiness off the coast. Going to see this continue to stream over the region from the southwest and northeast today. So as I mentioned, we'll have that mostly cloudy sky with those with the abundance of upper level cirrus cloudiness. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model on the derived reflectivity, and move into this evening hours. Here's 10 o'clock, and then looking at midnight, you can see some scattered, isolated showers around the area. And then after midnight, looks like we'll have a fairly good chance of some rain showers moving the region. It looks like it mostly be light rain showers across the area, but looks like they'll last till about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then after that point, we'll see some partial clearing across the region. A slight chance this continues just over the area, or just south of the Wallops region, through the afternoon hours. I do expect an area of high pressure to build in from the north, and that should clear us out, or partially clear us out for our Friday afternoon. And looking at Saturday, we'll have a coastal system or area low pressure off the coast that's going to provide us with a good amount of lower level cloud cover across the region. That's going to allow us to stay in the 40s for Saturday with a cooler day for the first half of the weekend. Looking at our GFS model for the long range, here's our Friday morning, this rain showers over the region. Then by Friday afternoon, this large area of high pressure over the Great Lakes starting to build into the region. And then for Saturday, we'll look at an area low pressure developing off the Carolina coastline. With this area high pressure to the north, we'll have windy conditions over the Delmarva Peninsula, especially along the coastline. And then Sunday, we'll see this area low pressure start to move slowly northward as this area high pressure moves eastward. And that should allow us to see increased amount of moisture across the area, and in the form of some rain showers, as well as continued abundant cloudiness across the area. So it looks like a cloudy weekend with a better chance of rainfall on Sunday. Models have started to show even more uncertainty in where this area low pressure is going to move on Sunday. Right now it looks like we have about a 40% chance of some rain showers. Yesterday there was more agreement in the models that we were going to see some rainfall, but today not as much, so lowering those chances just slightly. And then Monday looks like we'll have area low pressure quickly departing off the northeast. A possibility we have some lingering low clouds or drizzle during the morning into the early afternoon hours on Monday, but then we should see high pressure build in for early Tuesday, and we'll see an additional area low pressure develop along the coastline of the Carolinas into the Mid-Atlantic on Tuesday into Wednesday, and that should provide us with a chance of some rain showers on Wednesday. The GFS isn't really showing that, but the European is showing a stronger area low pressure with this trough coming through, and it does look like it has a better handle on the system for our Wednesday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart for today in the evening hours for all categories. When we move into the evening into the overnight hours, we'll see that rainfall move into the region with chances increasing, looking like about a 60% chance of rainfall overnight. Our high today will be around 50 degrees, south winds at 6 to 11 knots this afternoon. We'll have variable winds this evening, So temperatures could bottom out during the evening hours around 40 degrees here at Wallops. Could even see some upper 30s in the center portion of the Delmarva Peninsula. Then they'll rise slightly overnight into the lower 40s with a light northerly to north wind across the area with those rain showers moving in. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we have VFR conditions today, and then once we move into the overnight hours, we'll see that chance of rainfall after 2200 local with a chance of a broken deck at 1,000 feet, and then after midnight we'll see those lower level clouds move in the region with the rain showers in the area, and continuing into tomorrow morning, 8 local will see broken deck at 1500 overcast at 3000 with some rain showers in the area. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Friday into Saturday, Friday will be overcast and mostly cloudy, a slight chance of a morning light rain shower, partly to mostly cloudy by late afternoon, a high of 51 degrees. We'll have a yellow for our precipitation in the morning on Friday, and Friday night we'll see partly cloudy to mostly clear skies as the high builds in from the north. It'll be breezy late with a low of 37 degrees, yellow for our winds near 25 knots. And then Saturday we'll see mostly cloudy to overcast skies, windy conditions, wind gust up to 40 miles an hour possible, and we'll see a high of only 46 degrees. So it will be a fairly raw and cold day on Saturday with the winds gusting, and as well we'll have those highs only in the mid 40s. We'll see that red condition for our winds on Saturday. And then looking at the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures below normal for the next 7. Tuesday will be near normal, but looking like we'll stay in the upper 40s to lower 50s across the next 7 days. 60% chance of rain tonight, and 40% chance on Sunday with that system moving through the region. Looking like it's about a 40% chance, as I mentioned, scattered rain showers. Can't rule out that we see that area low pressure move closer to the area. Although, as I mentioned before, a lot of uncertainty in that exact track of the area low pressure for Sunday. Monday we'll see mostly cloudy conditions, a high of 50 degrees, a slight chance we see some drizzle lingering. And Tuesday looks like the best day of the next 7 with lighter winds across the region, high of 56 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. And then Wednesday looks like another area of low pressure develops along the Carolina coast, the Mid-Atlantic coastline, and providing us with additional chances of rain showers. And hopefully the models will come into better agreement on the exact track and location of that and development of that area low pressure on Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 8:15 and 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.